Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial video. Today in this video we are going to complete exercise number 31. Okay, so today we are going to perform this exercise in Fusion 360. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we will draw this sketch and then we will extrude it one by one and then we will make hole here and here. Okay, so let's start. Click on the sketch tool, then select the plane. Now create this profile. So to do this, simply click on slot. Okay, so first point and the second point is 60 mm from the main point. Okay, and dia will be of 40, so this is 40 dia. Okay, so dia will be 40. Okay, dimension between these two is 60 and this is 40 dia. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to create a 20 dia hole or circle here. Okay, this is R40. No, this is, change it. Okay, so now this is dia 40 and this is dia 20. Okay, next thing is draw a vertical line which is 20 from the center. Okay, and 60 from here, 40 from here. Okay, so now create this circle which is of dia 16, then exit from the sketch and now extrude it. So this portion is extruded to 40. Okay, make the remaining sketch visible by checking this and then extrude this one. So its extrude height is 10. So extrude, specify the value 10. Okay, now next thing is we will have to draw this 20 dia circle here and then extrude it. Sketch, draw here 20 dia circle, finish sketch, use extrude tool and the height will be 15 minus 10, 5. So 5 and okay. And the radius from here, this is R2. Okay, so fillet, select radius 2. Okay, so we have completed this portion. Now what we have to do is use fillet tool to fillet it. Fillet, select the edge. Now use R5. Okay. Next thing is this is throughout hole of dia 20. Okay. So here we have our 3D model is here. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, Check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f 3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.